In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the grade node in Nuke to balance your image. We'll start by adding a grade node to the node graph. With your cursor in the node graph, press the tab key and type grade, then hit enter. This creates a grade node that will handle your primary exposure and contrast adjustments. It's one of the most fundamental tools for shaping an image because it lets you set your black and white points, scale brightness, shift overall levels, and refine the midtones all in one place. Next, connect your footage. Take the output of your read node or any image source you're working with and attach it to the input of the grade node. Make sure you're viewing the grade node in the viewer so you can clearly see the effect of your adjustments as you make them. Let's walk through the key controls. Start with blackpoint. This sets the darkest value in your image. Anything below this threshold becomes pure black. Use it to anchor your shadows. Pull it up carefully if your blacks look washed out, or ease it down if you're crushing detail and want to bring some shadow texture back. Whitepoint sets the brightest value. Anything above this will clip to pure white. Raise whitepoint to give highlights more pop, or lower it to protect bright areas from blowing out. Balancing blackpoint and whitepoint together establishes the contrast range you want. Multiply scales the brightness of the entire image. Think of it as gain. Nudge it up to brighten uniformly or down to dim. Small moves go a long way, so adjust gradually and watch how it affects both shadows and highlights. Add shifts the overall brightness up or down by a fixed amount. It's an offset that can help you lift a dark plate without changing the relative contrast too dramatically, or pull down a bright plate while keeping the balance you like. Gamma targets the midtones. Increasing gamma lightens mid-level details. Decreasing it deepens them. It's great for finessing skin tones or texture without pushing the extremes too hard. If you need the grade to affect only certain areas, connect a mask to the mask input. This could be a roto or any matte. A clean, feathered mask will help the adjustment blend naturally with the rest of the image. Finally, preview your work by toggling the grade node on and off. With the node selected, press D to disable and enable it. This quick